Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how your phone knows what playlist you want to hear next, or how it shows you ads based on your recent searches? Well, that's a perfect example of machine learning in action. It's an amazing technology that lets machines learn from data and make decisions on their own. So how does it all work? Let me walk you through the basics and share how machine learning is shaping the world around us. Let's start with data. Imagine trying to teach a machine to recognize a cat in a photo. The machine needs to know what a cat looks like, right? That's where data comes in. It looks at thousands of photos of cats to learn patterns, like whiskers or pointy ears. This training data is what allows the machine to make accurate predictions. Just like how you practice to get better at something, the machine needs data to improve. Without enough quality data, the machine would struggle to recognize cats properly. Next up, we have algorithms. Think of algorithms as instructions that guide the machine. They're like recipes that tell the machine how to process data. For example, an algorithm could help the machine figure out whether a photo contains a cat or not. The better the algorithm, the more accurate the predictions become. It's similar to how you improve your cooking by tweaking recipes based on experience. These algorithms can be adjusted to make the machine even smarter. That's why they are such a key part of machine learning. Now, let's talk about model training. After gathering data, the machine begins to build something called a model. Think of this model as a brain that helps the machine make decisions. It uses the data to learn patterns and make predictions. For instance, it might learn that cats often have whiskers and pointy ears. Once the model is trained well enough, it can recognize cats in new photos it hasn't seen before. The more accurate the model, the better the machine will perform. This is why training the model is so crucial. Something important to remember is continuous learning. You might think that once a machine has learned something, it's finished. But machines keep learning from their experiences. If they make a mistake, they can learn from it and improve. This continuous learning is what makes machine learning so powerful. It's similar to how we keep learning and getting better with practice. This ongoing improvement allows machines to stay relevant and adapt to new situations. And that's one of the things that makes machine learning so exciting. Finally, let's look at the real-world impact of machine learning. We see its influence in everyday life, like personalized recommendations on streaming services. But the possibilities go much further. In healthcare, machine learning helps doctors detect diseases early and predict patient outcomes. In finance, it's used to predict stock market trends and spot fraudulent activity. It's also making transportation safer with self-driving cars that can navigate the roads. The potential for machine learning is enormous, and we're only scratching the surface. It's changing industries, and it will continue to shape our future. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and subscribe for the latest updates.